What's up, guys? What's up? It's your girl Kissy Unstoppable, and I'm back again with another video. Yeah, Happy New Year. If me never tell an Happy New Year, it's still Happy New Year for me. So guys, today, as y'all know, as I said before, I went to Ghana in 2024 last year and came back 2025. So guys, I enjoy a lot of Ghanaian food in Ghana. So today I take upon myself, so I'm gonna make jollof rice. And guys, me I gonna take you through the process of my do my jollof rice. Goody, angle it, triangle it. Jamaican I cook jollof rice. Hey, no sir. Hey. So guys, right there, me have my ingredients. Me have my onion, me have my tomato, me have my scotch bonnet pepper, and me have my bell pepper, red bell pepper. So me cut up them. Me just wash them and cut them up. But it was like 3 tomatoes right there. So right there, so I put it in the oven to dry it a little, the tomato, the onion, and the scotch bonnet pepper and the garlic. So right here, so now I have my chicken seasoning. I do some jerk chicken. You know, Jamaican jerk chicken right there. So yes. So guys, me take it out of the oven after me put it in the oven for like 5 minutes and for make it dry a little bit. So right there now I get my blender. I'm gonna put in everything in my blender and I'm gonna blend it up to get the tomato sauce or paste, whatever you guys call it. So right there, so you see good, I blend up our thing in our blender. So I blend up everything, all the ingredients. So right there, so now I pour it out, look at the consistency, look at the paste, how it look. So now I get my pan right over there. So I'm gonna throw some onion with some oil and I saute my onions in my oil, guys. It smells so good, so good. Me I tell you, say me a Jamaican and I never done this before, so no just to come for me. Me try my best to make some jollof rice. Yeah, tell me how a girl do. So right there, so now I saute my onion and I put a little seasoning inside. I put some Old Bay seasoning. You can put any seasoning like you can put your Knorr, your Maggi, but I don't use Maggi, I don't use Knorr. So I put my little Old Bay seasoning right there. So right about now I have some tomato paste right there from the can. So I'm gonna put some of the tomato paste inside the onion that I'm sauteing. So right there now I put in some of my tomato paste inside the onions and I'm gonna stir it around a little, stir it around because you don't want to get burned, guys. It can be it can burn too, you know, so you have to keep on stirring it. So I'm stirring in the tomato paste with the onions and I think I have a little bit of garlic inside of it also. So right there, so guys, you can see that I'm stirring the tomato paste inside the onion. So right now I'm gonna add my tomatoes sauce that I blend. I'm gonna add it to the ingredients of the onions and the tomato paste. So I put it inside and I'm gonna stir it in. So I pour everything out. I think I do too much, guys, because this is my first time. As I told you guys, this is my first time. I'm just trying a thing, so next time I will know what to do. I would master it more. So guys, right there, so I'm stirring all the ingredients together. So I'm gonna add a little salt to taste because you know, so you want your rice, you have a little taste, you understand? Get no fresh rice around here. So so right there, so now I'm gonna stir it in because I don't want to get burned, so I have to constantly stir it because it will burn because of the oil and the paste, you understand? So I'm stirring it in the tomato paste that I make, or the tomato sauce that I make, I don't know what you guys call it, that I made inside the oil and the onion. So you can see the onion inside of it same way, and see there it's drying down. It's like it's drying out, but you have to keep on stirring it because, as I said, it can burn because of the oil and the tomato paste. It can burn. So right there, so guys, I leave it like for 5 minutes and I pour some water. I pour just a little bit of water inside of it and stir it in. So over there, right there, as you see, I'm gonna add my rice. I wash my rice about 3 times, so I had my rice in, and that's basmati rice I'm using right there. So I put in my rice. My son was helping me a little bit to hold the camera, so I'm stirring in my rice inside the sauce right there. So I stir it in and make everything even. Look on the sauce, the money sauce rich. So right there, so I make sure everything stirring, everything stirring. So look at that, guys. After I put it to steam, I take off the cover and decide so I'm going to take my fork and kind of stir because you don't want the bottom to cook and the top no cook, or the top cook and the bottom no cook. So as I said, the girl handle this because it's the first time I do jollof rice. Yeah. So guys, more want to tell me, I want to think about this jollof rice from a scale from 1 to 10. How much you know that rate me? Or if you say next time put this, next time put that, or put some more ingredients, guys, me to know. Me want to know if you tell all of my Ghanaian people and my Nigerian people, them comment down below and tell me what you think about this girl, Jamaican girl, I cook jollof rice. You know, Jamaican girl, and I cook jollof rice. So guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Put on your post notifications so you know each time go the upload, I leave it a bye.